tomato soup. Baked ziti with chicken, some carrot juice, and a garden salad with ziti chicken as well. And over here, we're making a big pot of tea to make iced tea. See everybody else is outside. What are you guys doing? You're looking for what?
Dinosaur fossils.
Dinosaur fossils. Wesley, what are you looking for, baby?
Looking for dinosaur fossils too.
Dinosaur fossils, and you're all pink? You have 2 older sisters? Hi, baby.
Please have more water. This is
Hi, Wes.
Daddy, get that snail.
Oh, the smell. It is.
Look at that snail. And it's shell. Snail. Camouflaging.
Yeah, you guys can have a little bit more.
Yeah, this is good. Really good.
Oh, you guys like the carrot juice?
Y'all make
Good.
it more often.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a big batch of that tomorrow. And the soup is ready. Potato, lentils, carrots, all that goodness. Is it a thumbs up?
That's how the soup is.
That's how the soup
That's
is.
how the soup is.
I have to sit down and eat mine now. Oh, wait. I'm next in line.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that. Got it, Carmi. Good job. Good job. You did it.
No, I do like something.
I need more soup. That's good, thanks. Okay, Karina, what's your favorite part about being vegan?
More pasta.
Trying new things? New things like what?
Salad.
What kind of salads? What's your favorite salad?
Salad with apples in it.
A salad with apples? Why did you ask for Brussels sprouts for your birthday party?
Because I love Brussels sprouts.
You love them? What do you like about them?
They're sweet.
You think they're sweet? What do you think of the carrot juice?
Sweet.
Trying to give hugs? You're giving the Infinite family a hug?
That you did. You girls going outside? Go ahead. Go.
You ready to eat too, Winston? Winston, you ready to eat?
My place,
I
man.
see your hand reaching. You reaching. You reaching, son.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that ziti more often too.
Babe, just on the deck.
Oh, they were hanging out on the deck?
You wouldn't know about that one. I don't know.
As a matter of fact, that is good.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. See?
I don't know.
Daddy knows a little something too about technology. A little something.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, fun. Make sure you put it back, right? You're in.